are dreams and memories formed? Do you know that dreams are trying to tell you something? Which dreams we would remember most clearly? What were Sigmund Freud's theory about dreams? Let's know the answers without any further delay. Let's get started. I am Educative Tej and I make informative and educational videos. To join this wonderful journey of increasing knowledge and knowing new things, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. How are dreams and memories formed? Thanks to modern science, it's now possible to see into a living human brain and observe processes that occur there during sleep. Sometimes, modern medicine has even been able to bring people back from the entrance of death, and this made the study of near-death experiences possible. Despite medical process and huge developments in the instruments used to observe human bodily functions, however, there are still many gaps in our knowledge about the nature of dreams and memories. As far as we know at present, for memories to be developed, genes in the brain's nerve cells need to be activated, new proteins formed, and nerve connections should be changed. We know even less about the creation of dreams. For a while, it was assumed that they were closely linked to REM sleep. REM being the acronym for rapid eye movement, a stage of sleep which is recognizable by the sleeper's rapid eye movement. REM sleep was discovered in mid-20th century and has played an important role in the explanation of dreams ever since. In addition to the rapid eye movement during the REM sleep, there are other motor activities as well. REM sleep occurs about every 90 minutes and lasts for about 20 minutes. Experiments conducted in sleep laboratories have shown that people who were woken while they are in REM sleep are more likely to report having dreamt than those who were woken during non-REM sleep. However, scientists have now discovered that people dream during other phases of sleep as well. Although these dreams have a different quality, they tend to resemble conscious thought sequences, whereas REM sleep dreams tend to be similar to cinematic narrative sequences. The connection between dreaming and REM sleep seems to be looser than was initially assumed. REM sleep has even been observed in the very rare cases of people who no longer dream at all due to brain damage. Fun fact: dreams are amongst our most mysterious experiences. They can be strange, they can be funny, they can be frightening or stimulating. But as a general rule, most of them immediately fade from memory when we wake. So, what are dreams trying to tell us? It has been suggested that dreams are some kind of mixture made up from originally unconnected information from different areas of brain. However, scientists have noticed that people don't usually dream at random, and that their dreams do tend to have something to do with themselves and their lives. Some people repeatedly dream that they have failed their exam, for example, or they dream of people and objects that they had dealings with during the day. Many researchers have therefore gone back to the idea that dreams are likely to be more than merely neurons stimulated at random. I can make a YouTube short what are particular dreams trying to tell us, like you fell from a height or your teeth are gone, etc. Do you want me to make it? Show your opinion in the comments below. Which dreams do we remember most clearly? We usually only remember the fact that we had intense dreams when we wake. This makes sense since we usually have several dreams each night. If we do remember a dream, it is likely to have occurred in the last stage of the dreaming prior to waking. But for most people, its content tend to fade as soon as we try to recollect it. Only nightmares or dreams of particularly emotional nature stick in our memories. What were Sigmund Freud's theories about dreams? For Sigmund Freud, dreams were a valuable tool that could be used to help us understand the working of our unconscious minds. By interpreting his own dreams as well as those of a number of other people, Freud developed a theory in which he claimed that dreams do have meaning and that they are, in fact, the fulfillment of suppressed desires. However, when a suppressed desire appears in a dream, it is disguised when the substance of the dream being presented through a series of subtle shifts and transformations. This is how Freud explained the well-known phenomenon where a dreamer is sure he or she knows a person in a dream, but is quite unable to give that person a name. In cases like this, different people from the dreamer's past present have to be transformed into single composite individual. Shifts occur when the images from the dreamer's distant past find their way into the dreams about places and events from the preceding day. According to Freud, it is because these shifts and transformations that we often only remember fragments of our dreams when we wake the following day. An important method for finding out more about dreams is sleep research, also known as somnology, in which the various stages of the sleep are studied and analyzed with the help of instruments. The causes of snoring are also studied in this way. Like this video if you think that this is an informative video. Check out my channel and subscribe only if you like. Meet you in next video. Till then, keep watching.